Today, me, the exploding lemon can, and the gaming applesauce, who's holding the camera right now, is going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's not quite hard as you think of it, but first the basics are if you solve a cube like this, which is really hard, only for me, you have to turn like this, and like that, and like that, and like that, and like that. Why isn't it solving? The noodle cube? It looks like a dirt cube, yeah? Isn't that right, gaming applesauce?
Yes.
Rule number 99, the exploding lemon can is always right. I give up.